What's going on, Pokemon community? I'm Brandon Brown, and I got a hold of some Shining Fates Pokemon cards that I want to open for you. So I got a Pikachu V-Box, I got a Celebi 10. We're about to break these babies open and see what they got in them. We got 2 Charizard packs in here, so you know what that means. That's good luck. So we'll start with these 2 first. Two, three, 4. Positive energy coming our way. Floatzel, Rotom, Gym Trainer, Morpeko, Yanma, Grookey, Nickit, Choodle, Reverse Hollow Boss's Orders, and a Celebi. Alright.
Maybe you should do like give the energy.
You can fucking hear you whispering, baby.
I know you do.
I don't want to do Guess the Energy because that's what the fuck Leonhardt does. Reverse Hollow Grookey and Manaphy. Whoa. Can I say that?
I don't think so.
Probably not, huh? Alright. Positive energy coming my way. Gym Trainer, Eldegoss, Dartrix, Weasel, Grookey, Cufant, Snoom, Yanma, Reverse Hollow Rusted Shield, and Hollow Rillaboom. I'll take it. Ever so gently stick this in one of these. Alright. Don't fail us now, Charizard. One, 2, 3, 4. Positive energy coming our way. We'll figure something out for that. Floatzel, Morpeko. Doesn't he look like the like new school Pikachu. I swear, that's exactly what it looks like. Yanma, Grookey, Nickit, Choodle, Reverse Hollow Morpeko, and non-hollow Volcanion. Man, this one hasn't been too good to me. Let's hope these 10s are a little better. 2 packs for a 10. Start with this one. One, two, three, four. And fist bump. Rotom. Yell towel. Oh, Floatzel and Abusel. Oh. Oh. A freaking Skyla. Yo, I'll take that. That's actually very nice. A shiny in that in one. And that 10 might be fire. Yeah, let me get a there's a sleeve. I need 2 sleeves for that pack. Nice. And the last pack of Shining Fates. What do y'all think, guys? Think this is the one with the Charizard in it? I feel like it is. I feel like it is. One, two, 3, and 4. Fire energy. Come on, that's Charizard vibes right there. What else we got? Gym Trainer. Luxio. Gopping. Shanks. Buizel. Nickit. Trapinch. Uh-oh. Colossal Shiny. Ooh. That was a good 10. I have to open more of them little guys. Alright. Let's see what we got, man. Some of the best pulls. I'm happy for that one. I'm happy. Well, this completes my first ever opening. So, I don't know how I'm going to end this, but I'll end it with a farewell, my friend.